She flew out this morning. Leah wore this pink, and she's not even a pink gal. And she was like, Kim, I have to have this. Can I read you a testimonial about this that just came into me today before we even show you colors?
Yes.
Because this really happened. Harry Slacken, he texted me, said, calling in for the testimonial on this striped sweater as I bought it for Laura. How it looked, she was, how it looked is how she is going to look on our boat all summer. Harry Slacken bought this for Laura. He bought this one right here.
P.S. and by the way, 2 colors are already last call. That's
a testimonial.
That is a great testimonial. Harry and Laura. Oh yeah. Because Laura's behind the Nest fragrances. Harry's behind all the candles. I mean,
they got
they're always traveling. And when he said on the boat, he's not kidding. On the boat.
It's his boat.
Yeah, his boat. So this is the sandbar. 550 remain to go with that $37 boot cut. Get these right now, coming up next. Don't wait on the boot cut. Actually, just go and see what size is still available and grab whatever you can. Here is the preppy pink. This is the one that's last call, you know, with the dark denim if you wanted to do that. So amazing. Then we go into the simply green. Woo! Also last call, and rightfully so. Those 2 colors were my high school colors, a Kelly green and a beautiful twilight blue. And then here is the white. $550 to go around in the white. That is very yachty. We started the day with $3,700. We have $1,100 to go around. It's brand new today. It is 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. Grab this if you are gonna be by the ocean, down the shore. Okay, so the pink, the one that Laura is gonna get from Harry, that's already gone. If you're going down the shore, love the gold, love that she did a Henley half zip with this rib into the mock neck. Here's this really preppy Kelly green with the twilight blue, and then the sandbar is just absolutely extraordinary. $22.66. Did we mention it's gonna ship for free? Did we say sizes are extra, extra small through 3X? Oh my gosh, Kim, this sweater is so soft.
Yes.
Wow.
It is, I wanna tell you, I said it this morning, this is probably the most well-fitted sweater we have ever brought to you. It is a shaker knit, so it is a beautiful, you know, chunky knit, okay? But the collar is ribbed. You're talking 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. It holds its shape, but you've got a cuff that is ribbed, ribbed and tipped. You have a collar that is ribbed and tipped with this half zip.
Okay, this is gone now.
Oh God, oh Lord. So this is the one Harry got Laura, the white and navy.
Yeah. I mean, this is everything. Okay, so 400 each is left in sandbar now? Okay, so we have 400 left in the white. We call this the white with the twilight, and 400 left in the sandbar. This, to me, Kim, is honestly a no-brainer because you'd absolutely get the white and the blue. When you want to have a red, white, and blue moment, put this on with little red sneakers, and you've got your yachty yachty, we like to potty. Like, that's your boat moment. And then the way that you have it styled, I love the sandbar with the denim jeans because that sandbar is so sophisticated, Kim.
Well, and I just want you to see the fit on me, and I don't know if you've got it on the girls too. It's a drop shoulder, so I've got it on the medium. It is a relaxed fit, so get your normal QVC size. You want it to be relaxed. You don't want it to be tight.
Yep.
Because that's what makes it cool. Like if you do a half tuck, or you just, you know, you want it to have a little bit of body and a little bit of movement, and that's what the shaker does. It will hold its shape because it has that acrylic, but it has a collar. This collar is a little stiffer than what is here, so it will stand up, or you can just turn it down. Either way, but I like, of course, you know, us short hair girls, we have to have collars that stay, you know. But it drop shoulder. That's a perfect shot right there. I'm obsessed with this. This morning I thought, Lord help, I hope we have enough for today.
I love it. And here's the thing, it's very close to on its way to selling out. That's why we don't have that much time on it. But here's the story. It is 3 easy payments of $22.66. It's got the cush and the feeling and the stretch that you absolutely want. If you are going to be out on a boat or out on the water, $200 in the white, $250 in the sandbar. If you actually are, going to be, out just by the beach, like my family's up in the Bay Area and they like to go hang out by the beach, even though it might be a little chilly, you put a little turtleneck on underneath this, you put this on over it, you put a vest on over it with your bootcut jeans that are coming up and some little ankle boots that we had from Skechers, and you're done. Like wherever you are in the country, you're going to get this and wear it immediately. I don't care where you are, because it's chillier than usual, right? It's still winter wherever you are in the country. So if you want to put on a tank underneath this, a t-shirt underneath this, if you want to pop a little poplin shirt on underneath this, these collars, Kim, they remind me of my very preppy high school, because boys would always wear this with a polo shirt. They wear a polo shirt under, pop that polo shirt collar, have this kind of portrait sweater that had this stand collar on it. It was always like a deep heather gray, and then they'd wear the sweater with some denim jeans. This is like perfection. And I love that you said, let's be clear that it's a relaxed fit, because that's what you want in this sweater, a relaxed fit, not one that's tight.
Yeah, this is just special. I'm telling you, it's different. Again, it has that yachty look, but this is a buy now, wear now moment. Like I would wear this right now with jeans, and it's cozy, it's comfy, it's warm. It's not going to be this like spring summer sweater. So you're going to buy it now and wear it all the way into spring and summer.
Yeah, and it's the only order of the year, which means when we sell out of these, which is where we're very close to doing, with free shipping and handling, 150 left in each. I also love that these colors are neutral, but wait, can we just, I love that you tipped this on the collar.
I know.
Like how great is that? And it's tipped on the collar here as well. So it's the reverse of what, and the cuffs are tipped as well. Like, so you can flip them back if you want to, but they're tipped. You're getting the tipping here, and the stripes are just fantastic, and you've got all that stretch and recovery. Kim, this is like the perfect sweater that I always want to jump into. I wear a t-shirt on underneath, I wear the sweater over, some denim or some corduroys, or if you want to wear some leggings, you can do that as well with a little boot or something that's a higher boot that you could wear with this right now. These two colors are perfect. Classic.
They are.
Timeless.
Classic.
100 left in each, on its way to selling out, shipping to you for free, 30 days to love them or return it. Put this in your cart. You'll be so delighted that you have it. And if you picked up our Today Special Value in any one of the great 7 colors, or maybe 6 that we have left, it will work with that too. A 676937 is your item number there.
All right. So